back to my channel. It's your girl Velvet, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification button so that you get all my notifications for whenever I upload. So today I have for you this halo eye for Valentine's Day date night. I think it is so cute. Today I am using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. I use most of it for all the matte shades on my eye. I use most of those. I used a lot of the colors in this palette. This palette is really cute. It smells really good. I don't know if it really smells like a peach. It's really sweet smelling, I know that much, but it smells really good. But that's what I use basically for my eye. You can pretty much use any like pinky purple colors, mauve-y, I guess, and like muted purple tones that you have to create this eye look. You don't have to go out and buy this palette if you don't already have it. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, how I got this look, how I slay for Valentine's Day. This is Monday that this video will be up, and then tomorrow I am doing a birthday video which will be up on my birthday, which is this Wednesday. When you're seeing this video, it's probably Tuesday already, so my birthday is tomorrow. Yeah, and I will be showing you a I think I'm gonna do like a colorful look, or maybe just an all pink look. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop talking so much and we're gonna get into the video so you guys can see how I did this. Okay, so first, usually I start with my concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer because it is super thick, and I like that for my eyeshadow base to be kind of thick to cover up all the color on my lid. I should not have used my finger, but it did, so it's too late. Then I'm going to blend it out with this BH Cosmetics 128 brush. It is just a super huge fluffy dome blendy brush. And I kind of use little like stabbing motions, I guess, to blend it out to get the most even coverage base. Sorry if I say a lot. My brain is slow, so sorry if I say a lot. Oh my god, it's been in my back pocket this whole time. I was looking for this. I was totally looking for this. Okay, so today, as I might have already told you, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette for the majority of this look. And the first color that I'm going to go in with is Peach Cobbler. So I'm going to use this for my transition shade. I'm going to be putting it from like into my crease and up to almost my brow bone, like right under my brow bone. And I'm going to use patting motions first, and then I'm going to blend. On my phone since I'm just restless, all this pressure. I forgot to set my concealer. Don't do that, you guys. That's why my base is like sticky right now. I forgot to set it. Don't forget to set. Steam account's been kinda cool. That's all the news. Now foreign girls, they call me too. I'm not a fool. Yeah, maybe that's just how they do. That's not my crew. No, no. My Morphe E578 brush. It's like a fat little fluffy, it's actually pretty fluffy, blending brush, pencil brush, sorry. It's a fat little fluffy pencil brush. I can't say pencil. Forget it. Just forget I even said that. And then I'm going to take Just Ripe and Peach Tart, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to take Just Ripe and a Peach Tart, and I'm going to put them on the outer corners. But I'm going to take like the slightest amount of Peach Tart at first. There is a hair coming out of it. Yeah, in the stove.
corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat.
And then I am going to take my Morphe RG18 brush. It is like this small blending brush, and I'm going to buff this and blend it out. Get rid of these harsh, to get rid of these harsh lines, cause that's not cute.
Now they really wish that I was home, but I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple.
And then I'm going to take the same Morphe brush, the little fluffy pointy one, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of sangria and Just Ripe. And this is, oh, I'm sorry, peach sangria. Where is it? Right there. Focus. A little bit of peach sangria and Just Ripe. And I'm going to put that closest to where the halo will be.
Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road.
Next, what I do is I'm going to take my concealer that I used before, and I'm going to take this generic, it's not even generic, it actually came from a bootleg Too Faced Naked palette. Those little flat brushes with the fluffy side. I like to use the fluffy side for like concealer and stuff like that, and so I'm going to use that to cut out my halo. And then this part I don't really care about like how messy it gets, because I'm gonna fix it later.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.
And then I am going to like basically set this, I'm going to go into the peach palette and get Just Peachy, and I'm going to use this flat brush from a generic Amazon brush set that I got, and I'm going to basically set it with Just Peachy. Yeah.
Now, tell me where it all went wrong. Yeah, now, yeah. Oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home. Where that at? I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be.
And then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible, their eyeshadows. They came in these little pots. They're so cute, and I believe this is called the color, so you guys can see. It's like a rose gold. Show up, people, so that people can see. It's like a rose gold, pretty color, very pigmented. I've had this for about a year, almost. No, about a year now. I've had it for about a year, and I've barely hit pan because I don't use these colors a lot, for one, and then they're super pigmented. So this is what I'm going to use to highlight my halo.
I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con.
And so I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Travel blending brush. It has like, it's kind of flat. You can't really tell. It's a little fluffy, but not really. It's kind of flat, and I'm going to use it to like blend out this part of the halo so that the other colors can blend on it really well. And then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 578 brush, and I'm going to take Peach Sangria and, no, I'm sorry, Just Ripe and Peach Tart, and I'm going to close up this halo a little bit. I'm gonna go back and perfect the spotlight of my halo because it looks weird. And then after I do that, I'm going to take my Morphe RG18 brush and I'm going to blend out this line because it's a little harsh. For my brow bone highlights, I am going to be using my Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette, and I'm going to be using a Sigma taper blending brush. This is the E45, and I'm going to be using color the color Beam and Queen mixed together for just a little highlight on the brow bone. And then if I took any color away from like my transition shade, which I did just a little bit, I'm going to go back in with Peach Cobbler and then fix that. And then there you have it. I'm going to speed through me doing my face really quick, and I will come back to you guys in a minute. So since my audio is already shitty, I'm just going to tell you guys about this. This is from Real Her. This is a blush kit. It is really cute. It's Be Fearless, Be Limitless. I don't know if that's the name of the blush kit. That's blush kit. Look at it. It's so cute. Comes with these super cute colors. Like, this is like perfect. I'm just gonna say that. And so this is what I'm gonna use for my blush. I think I'm gonna use this color right here and mix it with this last color so it's not super bright. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And make sure you hit that bell button so that you get all my notifications. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.